All right, so in this video, we're going to go over how to install an air filter, this new air filter, in the John Deere LA145 riding mower. So I'm going to open this up. And you're going to want to unscrew these here. There are 4 of them. And hopefully the engine that you're working with is similar to what we're working with here. It should match up. Also, just so you know, I have the battery charging inside, so I'll be installing that later. But in this video, we'll be covering the air filter. So, there we go. Take that off, put that to the side. And here's the old filter. It is disgusting. So I tried to get some of it out the other day just by banging it against something, and clouds of dirt were coming off of it. I don't know when this was last replaced, but I think it's been years. So I'm going to put the new one in. There's also another filter here. That's horrible. Anyway, put that to the side. Get some of that gunk out of there. Just the big chunks. All right. Okay, when you're installing the filter, you want to take this looks like a wire mesh, you want to take that side and face it upwards. Take this and put that in place. Just make sure it's snug. It's going to be a pain first. There we go. And this. And all right, that's it. So in the description, what I'll do is I'll include a link to the filter that I bought on Amazon. Sometimes they have some good deals where you can buy like 2 or 3 packs, just so you can switch them out occasionally, and usually they're on sale. I think I got this one for like 12 to 14 bucks. So yeah, link in description, feel free to check that out.